Babalu Amusement Park, BaSaksehİr. Today's changing environmental conditions, intense education pace of children, too much time spent in front of the computer or television cause a generation to be deprived of physical activities and also bring a conflict between the child and the parent. In this park, your child can spend a wonderful day with various playgrounds in this wonderful park, which was established for your children to spend their energy and make good friends. The purpose of the park is to create the opportunity for children to know the limits of their bodies by fully using their bodies, at the same time to allow them to be discharged and entertained. Children cannot spend time without their parents in the extremely safe playgrounds of the park. No matter how safe the playgrounds are, children are asked to wear non-slip silicone socks to keep them safe. In this way, children can play comfortably without any risk of falling or slipping. What's in Babalu Amusement Park? In the park, there are all kinds of playgrounds for children to enjoy. Babalu, which can serve 300 children at the same time, offers a 3-story game tower, mini go-kart track, 5-way trampoline, volcanic climbing mountain, jumping tower, air hockey table, and a 60 square meters mini playground designed for younger children. There is a go-kart area, slides, climbing areas and various jumping areas. Children both socialize with the friends they have made in the park and get rid of their excess energy by playing games. There are 20 different playgrounds in the park. Each of these playgrounds includes a variety of activities. These are generally movements such as jumping and climbing. When you get hungry, you can enjoy healthy and homemade food with specially prepared menus for you and your children at Babalu Cafe right next to the playground. Babalu Amusement Park entrance fee. 1 hour of game, 150 Turkish lira. 2 hours of game, 200 Turkish lira. Each additional hour, 50 Turkish lira. Children who are member of Babalu Card are free to spend time on the playground with no time limit. Card membership, 1 to 12 ages, 1 monthly membership, 1200 Turkish lira. Babalu Amusement Park visiting hours. If you want to visit Babalu, we would like to remind you that the park is open from 12 to 2200 hours on Fridays and Saturdays, and from 12 to 2000 hours on other days of the week. At the same time, the closing time of the park is 2200 hours on holidays and festival days. Where is Babalu Amusement Park and how to get there? The park is located in the province of Istanbul and in the district of BaSaksehİr. Babalu Active Amusement Park, serving every day of the week, inside Arterium Shopping Center in BaSaksehİr. It is possible to reach the park with your car or by BaSaksehİr buses. The park can be easily reached by bus number 89C from Taksim region and 98 numbered bus from Bakırköy region. Individuals who come with their own vehicle can easily find places to park their vehicles around. Thank you very much for watching our video. Also, you can write your comments that you want to add in the comments section. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good time.